Hi, this is Komal Jha. We have Hiral with us. Hi, Hiral, how are you?
Hi, fine.
Tell me something about yourself and the journey through which you have come here.
I've been associated with Sandeep ji from last 2.5 years through WI Association, and he is also a mentor to me because we have a common mentor also. So we met there also at the Rajiv Talreja's program. But the journey has been so good with us that he keeps on telling me that कोई नया प्रोडक्ट हो तुम्हारे पास. So we are in connection with that. We are associated with the two of the products with them, which are specially required for during the constructions, like before the completion of the project, final finishing stage. At the base they use our products.
There's a major problem nowadays which is seepage. बहुत ज़्यादा सीलन आ जाती है आजकल घर में, especially when we talk about Delhi NCR or major flats and buildings. So tell me something about waterproofing. Let's start with seepage. Ki what is the reason behind it?
See, there are various reasons to get that sealant to our any of the buildings and all. The major reasons are like the quality of the products, like that are being used as sand, cement, and some other ingredients are also there, but they are not much taken care of that in while designing the mixed designs and all. They do design, but on ground level it doesn't actually practically work, and the rapid growth of the industry is also there. So the deadlines are is such that they have to complete the work in such a fast manner that they miss out some things. So due to that, that precautionary measures are not taken that much care of, and that causes the sealants and all. But it's a very bad for the industry, but very good for the producers like us, that we get a chance to sell our products and all.
So what kind of precautionary measures do end consumers need to take?
First of all, the end consumer needs to take care of that. What are the products coming in the market? What are the products available in the market? What are the new technologies that can protect? They should ask the developers, builders, and they should sit and talk with the consultants, architects, and they should find out that what are the products required for that, and actually are being used in the product or not. So that way they can know.
Let's go 20 years back. So उस समय सीलन का इतना मेजर प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता था जितना आज के समय होने लगा है. So there might be some reasons. So what are those reasons and how should we work on that part?
सी 20 साल पहले जो प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक द रॉ मटेरियल्स जो आता था उसकी क्वालिटी बहुत ही बेहतरीन थी, प्लस जो डिमांड थी उसके सामने जो प्रोजेक्ट्स की सप्लाईज थी दैट वर कंट्रोल्ड. अभी इतना हो गया कि जो मार्केट की डिमांड है उससे ज़्यादा उनकी सप्लाईज होने लगी है, एंड प्रोजेक्ट को हर बिल्डर्स, आर्किटेक्ट सबको एक दूसरे की कंपटीशन है. सो द प्रोजेक्ट बहुत हाई लेवल पे जा रहे हैं और मास प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि ग्राउंड लेवल पे जो एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकल वर्क हो रहा है वहाँ पे रॉ मटेरियल्स के ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता है. दैट कॉजेज सम ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम्स.
बात करें अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स की, तो एंड कंज्यूमर को नहीं पता होता कि जब घर बना रहे हैं तो क्या चीज़ें दिमाग में रखनी चाहिए, और कंपटीशन इतना ज़्यादा है कि हर जगह हम सिर्फ एडवर्टीजमेंट देख रहे हैं, हमें नॉलेज नहीं मिल पा रहा है. एंड वॉट एवर द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सेज वी जस्ट अप्लाइड. सो हाउ डू वी फाइंड द राइट मटेरियल फॉर आवर होम?
See, to find out the right material, first of all you should talk to the manufacturers directly. Like there are certain things in the product कि कौन से परसेंटेज का उसके अंदर क्या सॉलिड कंटेंट्स है, एक्चुअली क्या प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया गया उसके अंदर, एंड डज दैट प्रोडक्ट इज़ परफेक्टली बीन अप्लाइड एज पर द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स. वो वहाँ पे ग्राउंड लेवल पे नहीं हो पाता है, तब जाके प्रोडक्ट फेलियर्स का भी चांसेस हो जाता है. सो यू शुड talk as a contractor, you should go and talk to the manufacturers as well, so that कि manufacturers आपको ज़्यादा डिटेल में बता पाएगा प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. then you will come to know कि exactly what applications are required and where the products are required.
Thank you so much for being with us, Hiral. Thank you.
Thank you.